Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for an airport's location in the Virgin Atlantic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Airport Guides button. So first you can enter an airport or a city name, or the application will show the airports near you. So the closest to me is Ferihegy Airport in Budapest. So if you click on that, then you can find it with like coordinates and everything, and you will be able to locate it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.